Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to mill your own flour, sugar or coffee on THERMOMIX TM7. That's available either by setting the settings manually in the manual mode, or for some selected ingredients it's also available in the search. If you go to search and then go to modes and ingredients, you can scroll down and find different ingredients. And let's say I want to ground coffee beans. Then I could select coffee beans, select ground, and then put the right amount, about between 120 to 150 grams. Then go further and it'll automatically set the settings. So you can see for coffee beans that would be 1 minute and 9/9 setting. You could also adjust it a bit differently if you wanted to make it a bit finer or a bit thicker. Now let's try some other thing like sugar. To make sugar powder, you can go to sugar, which is going to be right here. Then icing sugar. And I could select which amount of sugar I put, then I could ice it. And let's do one more. Maybe I'll do rice. I'm not sure if rice will have its mode for making rice flour, because some things have like chopping mode, some things have steaming modes and stuff like that. Let's see the rice. If I go to rice, I could, turn it into flour, then select the right amount, or put it in, and then it'll set the settings for me. So that is it. Remember that milling, heavy milling is what wears the blade fastest. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.